Hi friends, my name is Rohan Bharachandra. The festival season has almost started in India. The sales for all kinds of goods and services is high during this 3-month period until the end of the year. This quarter is especially good for consumer goods and FMCG sector in general. In the next 3 months, the festival season will be in full swing in the country with Ganesh Chaturthi, Dasara and Deepavali coming up. People buy new clothes, automobiles, gadgets, home appliances, etc. People also travel for vacations with their families at this time. As per an article published in Economic Times, the following are the top stocks that may benefit from good sales during the festive season. Stocks that are likely to do well in festival season. Eureka Forbes number 1, analyst recommendation is strong buy, upside potential they say is 37.8%. Zomato, buy recommendation, upside potential 35.7%. Arvind Fashions, strong buy, upside potential 29.3. Sula Vineyards, analyst recommendation buy and upside potential 24.2%. United Breweries, analyst recommendation hold and upside potential 23%. Radico Khaitan, buy rating by analysts and upside potential 19%. Go Fashion, buy rating and upside potential 19%. Stock number 8, Nykaa, buy rating by analysts, upside potential 18.8%. Vedant Fashions, buy rating and upside potential 18%. Bata India, hold rating, upside potential 14.8%. United Spirits, buy rating 12.3% upside potential. TTK Prestige, hold rating 6.9% is the upside potential. Metro Brands, hold rating and 6.4% is the upside potential. Watch out for any short-term buying opportunities in these stocks. So look at the technical analysis graph, and whenever there's a buy indication, maybe along with the technical analysis, you can also get the benefit of the positive movement because of the good sales expected for these stocks during the festival season. If you like this video, please click the like button and mention in the comment section usually what new things does your family purchase during the festival season. Mention in the comment section whether it is clothes, whether it is any other thing. Just mention what is usually purchased newly during the festival season. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye and all the best.